bitches!
What's up? It's our first day in Vietnam. We are walking the streets of Hanoi to this bus stop so we can buy some bus tickets for our trip to Cao Bang tomorrow. It's 8 degrees today, but it feels like a Canadian 15. Everyone's dressed like it's winter in gloves and hats and scarves. Quite nice. It's perfect jogging weather. There's 10 in each. I just want to put like all over my house.
Look at babe supporting the locals.
Okay, come on. It's 2:30 p.m. on Monday, but we've already taken 14,000 steps, so we're taking a break.
Taking a rickshaw ride. But I feel bad because I'm fat as fuck and I'm making the poor man bite us. He's gonna break a sweat for sure. He's gonna earn his money. He's gonna earn that $7.
He's gonna get his week's exercise from biking tongue around.
He's gonna earn his money.
Hey guys! It's a gloomy day in Hanoi, but we're leaving on this bus to Cao Bang. It's Tom's birthday! Happy birthday!
Yay!
Ye old fart. We're gonna spend his birthday on a bus for 7 hours. Fun times. Let's go for a ride. Our driver told us that Hanoi hasn't experienced winters this cold in 40 years. Cold being like 5 degrees Celsius. And one of our cab drivers actually told us that some cities are experiencing snow for the first time. There's been so much domestic tourism to the Vietnam-China border, so everybody's going out to go see the snow. It's so funny. They go see snow, but then I go places so that I can see palm trees. So opposite. So yesterday when we woke up and it was 8 degrees Celsius outside, Tang and I were saying how warm it was, but then towards the afternoon, like 1 to 2 p.m., it got super cold. So I first bought this wicked Adidas jacket. Love the colors. Like those that know me, you know. Turquoise, mint, and green. Hell yeah. It was $10, so that was a great deal. But then it got colder. So Tang got this lovely jacket. Show them your jacket. Lovely North Face jacket. I don't know.
Feels legit.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's a chambray gray. It's really, really nice. I haggled it down to $22, and then I started getting cold. So I got this North Face jacket, highlighter green. We actually searched the entire old quarter city center for it. I swear I thought I saw everyone selling it, but it was actually this color in the North Face windbreaker. I only found this in one store. It's like cotton down fill. They only had an extra large, so I ended up buying the extra large because after having my mind set on this highlighter yellow, I just couldn't settle with any other color. It was just too dull for me. Like turquoise, nope. bright pink. Nope, it had to be my highlighter yellow. Here I am wearing an extra large North Face. How much it cost me?
500K.
500K, so I spent
like
$25. I paid more for this than that one. Then after that, we bought gloves because our fingers got cold from vlogging and snapping. So we're just like all the other people that live here. All the vendors here were killing it because yesterday I think was the coldest day they were seeing at 8 degrees. So all the vendors that we were walking past was full of locals buying jackets. This right here, Cao Bang, 0 degrees, is mine and Tang's favorite drink in Vietnam. There's also another one, it's a red label. I have no idea what it's called. It has an old man on it, right? Or is that the herbal jelly one? Yeah, we love this, and we love this other tea. I don't know why he does this in every fucking video. Retarded. Our first pit stop on our bus ride. Some treats, tea, preparing banana leaves so they can put rice and treats inside. This is how they keep the food fresh here. We found our second favorite drink, not second favorite drink, our other favorite drink, Dr. Tan, that's what it's called, and it does have a man on it, and it's red. It's a herbal tea. We also had a bowl of pho each with no meat. It came up to $20,000 altogether, which means it only cost us 50 cents each. So we made it after the 7-hour bus ride and it's freezing. Our toes are so cold. It's cold here, but the city is much bigger than we expected. It's so busy. We thought it would be like a ghost town. At least that's what I read on the internet, but it's pretty poppin'. Now we're going to go to this random little market we found on the way. Right there. I'm gonna go to this market. We need to find some food.
Anh phở, anh bún.
Bún gì?
Hả?
Có bún gì?
Anh bún gì? Bún gà, bún vịt, thịt lợn. Hay là ăn cơm thì anh ăn phở thì anh ăn phở không có.
Do you guys see anything? It's so dark outside. There's no lights on. Hotel made us some breakfast. I got some ban Gioc here, which is rice paper rolls. Got some soup. How's that soup today? Smells good. It's so much more lively today since it's bright outside. Much more happy. We are walking to the bus station, which is so close to our hotel. We are going on a 3-hour bus ride so we can get to the Ban Gioc Waterfalls. Yay! I had to use the washroom here at the bus station, and it was a public one, a public squatty potty. And in some places, you actually have to pay to use these public washrooms. The attendant asked me if I was taking a piss or a shit. So I was like, I'm peeing. She asked because she charges different prices for if you're peeing or pooing. It ended up costing me 1.5 cents to pee. Okay, so we just got off the bus. It's 1 p.m. and we made it. Check it out, guys. So nice. We're gonna walk down there, get a closer look, and hike around here. Let's go. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. I think you're moving too fast.
I don't think you're moving fast enough.
So this side here is Vietnam, and the Ban Gioc Waterfall, and then that is China. Who wants to flee to China? Anybody? Yeah, those Chinese tourists? We don't have any on this side. Let's give this guy some business. All right, so we're on the boat. It's usually $50,000, which is $2.50 per person, but since we're the only ones, the guy's like, it's $50,000 when there's a lot of people, but you two are the only ones, so it's gonna be $150 for both of you, which is fine. It's only $7.50 for both of us to get a private boat. I ain't complain.
Can you take a picture doing this?
Yes, we can see you. Oh my god, there's water coming all over. Hung asked our boat guy what happens if you run over there, and he's like, well, you're gonna get caught. And then I asked, well, do people ever run over there? And he's like, yeah, ladies do it so they can run over there and find husbands. We're just walking through their little town now. Look at this peaceful little town. I don't even know what they do for a living here, but very quiet. I see chicken on the road there. See lots of firewood in everyone's houses.
Oh look, the chicken's flying.
Oh my god! There's a road up here. So we go see the temple. I don't know if you can see the temple in this video, but it's there. It's nice. Here's a place where you can eat. Sad thing is, I don't know if people even come here. This village seems like everyone just cooks for themselves and their family. Definitely not a busy tourist place right now. We gotta flag this bus down. Take us home. Oh yeah, I knew. We didn't even have to wave our hands. Bên xe Cao Bang. We just got off the bus. We are back in town. And we are on the hunt for some food because we're hungry. Last time we ate was like 8 a.m., 7 a.m.? Yeah, it's been a full day of exploring. This place is poppin', but it's all jail style food. Buffet jail style.